Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So as you can see, I do have a pattern set right here, and truth be told, I actually don't know what it is. It's not me that set it up, so yeah, I have basically no access to this. So let's get started. So number one, we will need to turn off our phone by holding some power key. Yep, there we go. So let's select power off. And once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. As you can see, once it boots into recovery mode, you can let go of those keys, and this, well, we should be in the recovery mode. So from here, we will need to use volume keys to navigate through the menu in order to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset again to give you a message formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once more and this will initiate a reboot. So this will probably take a couple more minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And now that the factory reset has finished, you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.